Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Try! Great try by the world-famous rugby star Newts. Now, you just have to take the kick to win the World Cup. Easy peasy. You'll be lucky. You'll be lucky. Ah! Don't worry about Kia, sis. Kia kaha. Be strong.
Concentrate, young newts.
Go Newts! 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 Ah! Ah! Whoa!
Oh, everything's gone dark. Storm coming. Get to higher ground.
Whoa! I'm okay.
Those dark clouds blew away quickly.
You can take the kick again. I'll help you this time. I can do it myself. Of course you can. I'm just going to hold the ball till you're ready. This wind's really strong. Go for it, sis. But this time, aim way out to the right because the wind is blowing to the left. So by my calculations, the ball should go... Miss my miles! Miss my miles! Yes! I'm okay! Miharo! Awesome! Yeah! Newts has done it! She's won the World Cup! With a little help from her brother. Taitanua! Taimoana! Oe! 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 He! Oh!
Great kick, young newts. I don't think you'll see your ball again, though. This wind is blowing everything away.
Everything? Oh no! We have to get back to the treehouse to check on my garden! Oh, this headwind is really strong! It sure is! Hard to pedal! Oh, we have to hurry though, sis! What's the big hurry? The wind is breaking branches! It could be breaking my plants! I better pedal harder then! Oh, some of the leaves have blown off my veggies. And plants need leaves to soak up the sun and grow big and strong. We have to stop the wind. Hey, you! Wind! Stop! Yeah, stop, wind! Hey, I can stop it with my body. But you can't stand there all day. I've got a better idea. I'm on it. Oh! Aha! Oh! Oh! Can you help me put this in, Darwin? Stretch it tight. What a great idea, Newts. Thanks, bro. Presenting my plant protecting wind blockerizer.
Carp by. Good work. You've built a windbreak. Because you stopped the wind getting to the plants.
Me Huddle! Awesome!
Haven't seen it this windy since my antlers were little twigs. The wind got so strong that day, it blew all my fur off. I had to hide behind a tree so no one saw me in the nude. It's all grown back now. Bit of wind doesn't bother me these days. It's okay. I've got it. Maybe not.
Oh! Wapiti! Kia! Oh no! Wapiti! He's stuck in a tree. Show me, please.
I'm all right.
We have to help him! Come on! It's hard to pedal! It's still so windy! Let's science this! It's very windy. It was hard to go forward when the wind was in our face. But when the wind was behind Wapiti, it helped him go forward, and he sailed away really fast. So, we need a big piece of cloth to make a sail, to catch the wind, to make us go really fast. Good thinking, bro. I'm on it. Nice mast! But where's the sail, sis? Ta-da! I'm wearing it! Presenting my Super Trike Speeder Upper! Perfect! Hoist the main sail, me auntie! Aye, aye, Captain Darwin! All aboard! Let's sail forward! Me Huddle! Awesome! The sail is catching the wind and blowing us forward! Let's short stay pedaling. Can you see Wapiti? Yup. He's still stuck. Hey, Newts! Water! No thanks. I'm not thirsty. No! Water! No worries. How are we going to get over there to help Wapiti?
I'm okay.
We have to get over there. Look! Where are the pedals? How are we going to move it? Let's use the sail! That's a silly boat! That's a silly boat! Wapiti, we're here to help. And you birds can lend a hand. Okay, team. 1, 2, 3, pull! It didn't work. Wait, look! Yes, it did!
Oh, yeah.
Me Huddle! You're sailing, Wapiti!
Oh,
Oh!
thank you, everybody.
We did it! We saved you, Wapiti!